UCM calls for an emergency public meeting on October 21st, with the center reportedly setting October 31st as deadline to conclude ongoing Naga peace talks. AMSU demands to book culprit officials involved in misconduct of Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Mains Examination 2016. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin lauds Manipur Police on its 128th Raising Day for taking tremendous role in maintaining peace and security. And the Writers Forum Imphal kicks off a 3-day festival of literature, dance and music under North Eastern Council Donor Ministry at JM Dance Academy. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. United Committee Manipur UCM has called for an emergency public meeting on October 21st in the wake of Center setting the deadline of October 31st to conclude the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks with the NAC and IM. Speaking to media at UCM office in Lamphel this afternoon, UCM President Sunil Karam claimed that Nagaland Governor cum Indo-Naga peace talks interlocutor R.N. Ravi held meeting with various Naga groups and fixed the date for culminating the peace process on October 31st, which is in direct violation of the assurances given by the Indian government to consult all the stakeholders concerned before finalizing the peace talks. He demanded both state and central governments to clarify about the discussions held in the meeting yesterday regarding formation of Autonomous Territorial Council and extension of Article 371 Section A in the Nagaland state. Sunil Karam condemned the 60 state MLAs for not expressing their stance towards the issue till date. The UCM president warned of various agitations following the emergency public meeting on October 21st, and he further disclosed that UCM is gearing up for another October mass rally on October 31st.
Day 31st haidana chap chaba deadline amka thajilai delegation team member prime minister ga unaba matamda stakeholders singa tanagani haiba wafam singa se 31st October hai tarik asi 10 or 11 days kata naikhalaklai akhoi alert campaign meeting torpagi saruk amoina iminna ikhongna uba yaba yam tangible movement action khara akhoi taunana mungta United Committee Manipur na sem chajare hausik Manipur da leriba kanglup phurup tabiriba phurup khodimak masa masa gi Manipur kaidanaba stain chap chaba se masi lauthokpiro aduga punna phirep se longminabagi tangai padabadu lei hebasima thamjaningi 60 MLA gi mathakta masa masa gi phirep si thananaba hagi badang asi pawda response tortriba je masi gi outcome asina phatanungda tholokpa matam asidadi 60 MLA punamangna masi gi tekchak punamak pugadabane abse amukana lauthokchari aikoi Manipur government su hauzik wariba phibam masida Manipur miyamna nungnangiba posak mayam singse yamna aikoi Manipur miyamda achetpa phirep amkak puthokanda aikoi Manipur gi apunbai saktam kaidana honarun bachangi tongan ba political parties punamak amatta ngairba deadline lakung atamdadi tongan ba special session namaka kaurakanda aikoi gi apunbai saktam se ngangnana honabagi tangai padabadu lei haba wafam jingju pena thamjani.
All Manipur Students Union AMSU has demanded to book and punish the culprits involved in misconduct of Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Mains Examination 2016. Speaking to media at AMSU office in DM College campus today, AMSU President Peter mentioned about quashing and keeping aside of the examination by the High Court of Manipur yesterday, citing major blunders in the examination. He demanded proper CBI inquiry into the case as directed by the High Court of Manipur to nab the miscreant officials. Peter also demanded fresh conduct of the examination.
Paliba Lengak Amadi Government Honorable High Court of Manipur gi order adu ngak na chatkadamni amadi thabak thoromadu athupa matamda onthokadabani ex secretary oramba Shamlal Punia maki deputation adu khudakta kakkadamni madu pibe yaroi mai mathakta investigation tawgadaba inquiry tawgadaba myam ama leiri CBI na adugumlaba inquiry investigation adu loidringaida makpu deputation da thadokpadu yaroi amadi MPSC na CBI na larokadriba investigation khudima adu full support mateng pangpiduna cooperation pibigadabani niyom lana pangthukraba adugumlaba exam adubu lale haduna kakthatla matungda aspirant singi mahiro singi khallaga naunana achumba mongda haiba exam adu nauna pangthokadabni.
Manipur Police held its 128th Raising Day celebration at the parade ground of the 1st Manipur Rifles today. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren lauded Manipur Police for taking tremendous role in maintaining peace and security in the state. The Chief Minister took salutes and inspected the parade of 22 contingents of Manipur Police, including women police, led by Parade Commander MPS Officer Samurai Latpam Jugeshwar, and presented several awards on the occasion. Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren presented the DGP trophy for Best Police Station, including a cash award to More Police Station. The DGP award for Best Police Officer to Sub-Inspector of Lilong Police Station, MD Wakibudin, and the DGP trophy for Best Battalion to 5th Battalion Manipur Rifles. DGP's commendation roll with these awards were presented to 5 officers of Manipur Police, including a BSF commandant at the event. Bhumika Samurai Lapam of Pitambara English School, who topped this year's HSLC examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur (BOSEM), was also felicitated with cash award on the occasion.
Manipur, you will have भारतीय पूर्ण नागरिक मैले खानु नम्बर आई कम्युनिटी टु द प्रायोरिटी दिएर गर्न आई एगी कम्युनिटी ने फोन हाजिर जरुरी सदन के वक्त देश को रहेको कसैले यहाँ चाहिँ कुनै ह्यान्डल गर्न गभर्नेन्स र पुलिस के काम गर्छ मणिपुर रेडियो बजा अरु लिडर्स छु मणिपुर से एज अ होल कोही हम त ह्यान्डल को वापस दिएर वापस गर्दै मणिपुर पुलिस की ह्यान्डल वापस दिएर ह्यान्डल once an elected member of our president, once in the government is service to the president, I'm waiting the step. I'm Manipuri.
Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren recalled that following the Kongjom War of 1891, the State Military Police of Manipur was formed prior to Manipur Rifles in 1892. He maintained that observance of Manipur Police Raising Day started from October 19 of the same year. Stating that although Manipur is a small but a complex state, Chief Minister N. Biren lauded Manipur Police for taking crucial role in the security setup of the state. He urged everyone not to be self-centric but to have a sacrificial spirit to bring peace and unity in Manipur, which is comprised of diverse communities. Chief Minister Biren assured that Imphal West Commando Barrack and Imphal City Police Station will be renovated at the earliest. He added that the government intends to construct a police memorial park, a police memorial museum, and to open women commando unit in the state. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, ministers, MLAs, and top police and civil officials attended the event. Chief Minister N. Biren also launched a blood donation camp at the banquet hall of Manipur Rifles on the occasion.
Mari legal grounds in like Hagatpa, around Hagatpa, Trust, Mayo campaign, now my father public relation like this public relation like you are counter the local posting, people friendly with the winning, and the Mahaka, Saturday, the Prajasi, Lanamari, Mushi, Napos, and the river. Apply fire from the now the Machine jointly
Kakching District Police also observed the 128th Manipur Police Raising Day today. Sweets were distributed to schools, children homes and hostels in the district on the occasion. Three-day festival of literature, dance and music kicked off at Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy today. Writers Forum Imphal organized the festival under North-Eastern Council of the Ministry of Donor. Renowned filmmaker, singer and composer Aribam Shyam Sharma, professor of Guwahati University Dr. Bhiba Chaudhary, former director IPR of NEC Manas Ranjan Mahapatra, president of Writers Forum Imphal Kaisham Priyoberta, and other eminent persons attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Aribam Shyam Sharma stressed the need for writers and music composers to preserve the distinctive art and culture of the state in this modern era.
Manipur mapanda takpa yaba. Epai sak takpa yaba nama siya pukpa koy masak takpa yaba kayo sige. Ay film da tungol ba ito ni sige. Film da namati ay na namin film siya yung Manipur kinatali, Manipur ki tradition, Manipur ki culture, Manipur the base to ba miyam siya. Everywhere appreciate at ito. Pasaba po esidi amakatani ani shudi ako miyam divide to nadrali ito ba nati ako di. We must be inclusive. Yari ba kung content ba matamnya ko siya exclusive ba ito ba matamnya ti very important ako yung pasta nga ito depend on na iba siya yang li say may ibili ba siya sige chapa mapasudi ay TV pamtiya.
A group of Manipuri dance artists will organize an international classical Manipuri dance festival titled Samarpan. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, coordinator of the festival, Latasana, informed that the festival will be held at the auditorium of Jain Manipur Dance Academy at 2 p.m. tomorrow. She asserted that altogether 22 artists, including Manipuri dance teachers, performers and students from across India and Bangladesh, will showcase Manipuri classical dance performances, and renowned dance teachers of the state will be felicitated at the event.
Manipuri or so Mapanda, the Hikuntraga Taruk Surene ladies. Papanda Lebanina, Akoigi, Awat Pase, Ainayam Hino, Pange, Akoyam, Amato in a Pulaga, Manipuri Zagoya, Sibuma Panda, Sakonaba, Akoigi Kalsera Sekarino, Hibadotapagi, Pandamni, Masi, Quina, Kanzabana, Wazamayam, Simakal Makangi, Harana, Makal Yamis, the ladies at the book. Manipur Gizago, Hiragadi, Amato in Toga, Poiting Nasi, Amam Tatena, Bagimota Puna Tenaraga, Zakonaba, Mayam, the Kanga Honasi, Moisu, Manipuri, Kaljer, Banina Manipur ki haura phamsi karino Manipur da karam basana bi lairi hoi gi satna bi siam khangba gi darkar ne madu ka anda da mo koi masada koi Manipuri jagoi sabini haibagi ama puthokba ngamgadori ni lon khangda ba yade ai gi satna bi phije chaksa khangda ba yade tradition du su khangda ba yade atai classical form ga koi gi form yam khene.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar has released the Disaster Management System of Manipur report of Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center MARSAC today. MARSAC prepared the report in association with various departments under 2012-13 funding of Northeast Council. Speaking to media at his Secretariat office today, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar asserted that the report will facilitate the government in taking up various projects.
2015-16 की पोतो उसी 2019 ने थाप जागी problem is will the central government accept it have a question हम सुलाइब नसाई flood damage repair की करेगी तो FDR की करेगी कोई proposal था भाई तो immediately तोरिंगे में तो CC तो की कोई फोंग सारेंगे तो होगा तो नहीं अदुना था मतलब कन्नो तो उड़ेगी there was reluctance on the part of the central government to provide the fund. Adu matam the plat talking the plat demising the pisha sukai kole and so much announcement are there. But I hana finance by so I know. Announce the pishadium the black was really.
Kurai MLA cum MSPDCL Chairman L. Sushindro has asserted that progress will not take place as long as people continue to hinder in various developmental activities. He was speaking at a valedictory event of the 5-day Foundation Day observance of a top Kongnang Makong club held on the theme Time Management, Health, Cleanliness today. MLA L. Sushindro urged everyone to keep aside political differences and cooperate each other to bring progress in the society. He asserted that clubs and Maira Paibis have crucial roles to play in the economic progress. Mentioning about the quashing of Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Mains Examination 2016, MLA Sushindro claimed that the BJP has been always vocal against various misconduct in the examination, but the previous government failed to pay any heed. Founder members of the club were felicitated with gifts on the occasion.
Congress सरकार ले ngay matanda lale law matanda koi BJP ki yuva morcha ki karmi myam phajali adu MPSC da koi strike tawi matam da achum khar di taw da sunya ya di habi wakalo na magalo na akoi na chanjal ko do madu ki matung tar ko na kana ko XYZ karna court appeal tor kan da hositi court ki chap chaba justice samalai akoi ki pali ba sarkar je ta siang na kan da praja gi ngata khan mane na mana sina adu gi ni sina da gi ni sina BJP gi ni na khato ga koi sarkar na phabam da tawti myam pun kana mi na ba adu ꯊꯕꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯈꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯍꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯪ
International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA has strongly condemned that some Kuki leaders unveiled monoliths with "In Defense of Our Ancestral Land and Freedom" inscription in commemoration of Anglo-Kuki War, violating the government's order to refrain from the same. IPSA asserted that Anglo-Kuki War never occurred in the history of Manipur and urged the government not to construct Kuki Commemoration Park in Imphal area anymore and to withdraw the recent declaration of October 17 as restricted holiday. Association of Surgeons of India ASI Manipur State Chapter began its 24th annual conference ASI-Manicon 2019 at RIMS Jubilee Hall today. The two-day meet is being held on the theme Surgeons and Technology. Founder and present members of ASI Manipur Chapter were felicitated at the event organized by Association of Surgeons of India Manipur State Chapter in association with RIMS Department of Surgery. Speaking at the event, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchan appreciated the surgeons for their contributions in the society. He assured to extend necessary help in equipping surgeons of the state with latest technology and knowledge to facilitate them in treating their patients.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯄꯣꯛꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯅꯥꯕ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯅꯥꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ 50%ꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯑꯝꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯄꯥꯂꯤꯟ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯄꯥꯂꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯍꯥꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯗ ꯈꯔꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯗ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯁꯔꯖꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯀꯟꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯊꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯖꯒꯦ.
Communist Party of India (CPI) in a press release informed that the party will hold a public meet to discuss on various measures to be taken against impending threats by Indo-Naga Framework Agreement and Citizenship Amendment Bill at Lamlai, Kumbi, Hyanglam and Wabugai on October 20. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the felicitation of the winners of state-level environmental written quiz competition 2019 organized by DESAM. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Winners of the state-level environmental written quiz competition 2019 organized by Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur DESAM on September 29 were felicitated today. Cash awards and certificates were presented to the winners at the felicitation program held at Lamyan Bashanglen in Palace Compound. Chairman of Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Kosem L. Mahendra, DESAM President Salam Akash and many people took part in the event. More than 2,800 students participated in the competition held in 6 different centers. M. Sahid Afridi of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School bagged the first position. Yespal Ningthaujam, I beg your pardon. Yeshpal Nongthongbam of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School bagged the second position, and Maikam Tania of Little Flower School bagged the third position in the competition for class 5 to 7 category. While for class 8 to 10 category, Longonbi Chanu of Heritage Convent secured the first position. Naurim Kenison of JNV Kumbom bagged the second position, and Sagolsem Mani Macha of M. Ganga Academy secured the third position. Korean language coaching class organized by Korean Culture Center under the aegis of the Korean government at Eagle High School in Nagram, Imphal East since July 20 concluded today. Certificates were distributed to student participants of the coaching class at the valedictory event.
there are many Korean companies who is working who is operating in India. So if they know the Korean language, they will get more chance to approach that kind of that Korean company. And then even they can, for the student, in the perspective of student, they can they can apply to Korean university if they have the some kind of level of Korean proficiency. So this is important. So not only studying in here, but also they can study in Korea also. There are many Korean companies who
Social Service and Welfare Association Thaubal Wangmataba Sorok Makha held its 30th Foundation Day today. Traditional songs and dance performances highlighted the event. Kangabok MLA Okram Surjakumar, SSAWA Vice President L. Ibo Pishak, Councillor of Thaubal Municipal Council Ward Number 1 Okram Inautombi and ward members attended the event. Former executive members of the association were also felicitated on the occasion. Yai School MLA Tokchom Satyabrata and Corporator of Yai School Ward Number 20 Laurakpam Tombi distributed Weaver iCards and Yan passbooks to 300 beneficiaries of the ward today. The iCards and passbooks were distributed under National Handloom Development Corporation Limited and the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. Speaking at the event held at Wangkai Pukrambam Lekai, MLA Tokchom Satyabrata urged the weavers to obtain benefits of various schemes initiated by state and central governments. Weaver iCards distributed today will provide up to 10% subsidy in purchasing yarns. Consumers Club Manipur in a press release has urged the public to file complaint about unwarranted price hike of various commodities in view of the upcoming Ningol Chakoba festival at the club office in Pauna Bazaar or to contact mobile number 762-993-3367 for the same. Transporters and Drivers Council TDC has withdrawn the proposed ban on Imphal-Jiribam Road against non-repair of the Barak and the Makru bridges by NHIDCL in view of the upcoming Ningol Chakoba festival. Speaking to media at TDC office in MG Avenue today, TDC President H. Ranjit criticized that works executed by NHIDCL is far worse than the previous implementing agency, the BRO. Ranjit urged the government to complete the ongoing construction of the Barak and the Makru bridges and to start construction of the Irang Bridge at the earliest.
Koi Manipur public interest ta haijabani gari wala sing interest ta haijabani akoi masai da wa kan ngang ba aduga tap ngang ba haibe question leite akoi na haiba punam acheng ba achum manga tani koi aran ba haijande aduna hojigi haiba thong si athuba matam da loisalakan da Manipur praja singi mangkhau na hanbado ohen biu haina honorable chief minister na haiba thong ani amadi suksa sagatri ba irang thong asi loisanaba akhanaba miyeng ama changbira lambi asibu national highway ama oibagi thakta lehannaba akanba miyeng changjan biu haina thamjagi.
Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA organized one-day academic awareness program on drug abuse and its negative impact on students at Kashamtong High School in Imphal West today. Resource persons advised students to refrain from contraband drugs. A married woman was found hanging at her backyard in Kokchai Mayai Lekai under Mayang Imphal Police Station of Imphal West District today. The deceased woman is 25-year-old Leshantem Ongbi Baby, wife of El Bishorjit. Impact News also said that Bishorjit's niece found the body at around 5:30 this morning. Police team including OC Mayang Imphal Police and a team of Manipur Forensic Science rushed to investigate the incident. The body was then taken to RIMS morgue for further investigation. Mayang Imphal Police Station has registered a case against the incident and investigations are underway. Kanglaipak Communist Party Joint Military Council has given warning to one Khuraijam Ratan, son of Khuraijam Nimai Choron from Khurai Thangjam Lekai to surrender to the outfit within 3 days or else to face harsh consequences. The proscribed outfit asserted that they have found him guilty of various wrongdoings upon investigations following various complaints they have received against him. District Child Protection Unit Thoubal organized a one-day awareness program on child marriage and the POCSO Act at the Community Hall of Pauden Karembi in Thoubal District today. Resource persons stressed on child marriage and its evil effects and about the POCSO Act in the program. Human rights defender Manipur head office Kashampad has apparently failed to conduct a health camp at Mongshangai Old Age Home after giving widespread media announcement about the same. As per the media statement given yesterday by Chairman of Human Rights Defender Manipur head office Kashampad Joy Chingakham, the health camp was supposed to start at 9:30 a.m. today. However, when Impact News and other media houses reached the old age home this morning to cover the news, there was no sign of any medical camp. Media persons left after waiting till about 11 a.m. Upon inquiry, warden of the old age home told the media that they came to know about the proposed medical camp just this morning, but no one turned up to organize the event. The warden maintained that Human Rights Defender Manipur held its 10th Foundation Day observance at the old age home on October 10, and the banner used for the event also mentioned that a health camp will be organized at the old age home in Mongshangai on October 19.
Masigi numit day 19 se hana koigi mamang da human rights defender Manipur na tang tara da makoi foundation day toki adu masigi nimisida makoi gi flex ta su 19 October 2019 health checkup college at home da makoina tawgani haidana adugi kano masu thetpirame aduga koigi secretary sahib na habibata ngasi si health checkup amadi lei ana hojik ngasi da pawphonge da kitang ingondasu lack of information hagadra adagi ingondasu knowledge kya lai jahudaba doctor gi moigi health checkup tawbigadaba doctor gi side tadagi nurse kanamta lakte loina organize tawbigadoriba ICRTM gi miyo amatasu hojpau laktri.
Anal community celebrated their greatest festival, Chavan Kumrin, today in More. Mota Village Authority organized a festival. Villagers brought part of their newly harvested crops to the village tryst where the village elders and leaders blessed and ate and prayed for a good harvest, health and prosperity. Additional Deputy Commissioner of Technopol, members of Autonomous District Council Chandel, additional SP and villagers of various Anal villages attended the event. Traditional dance and music of Anal community were showcased in the event.
Savan Kumprin Habashide, Anova, Tabamia Kona Tariba, Koliba, Mahe Maron, Mase Ahan Batorakpa, Kogi, Arselda, Isolda Katukpa, Isolda Tau Nijaba, Adugum Bagi Pangsani. Aduna Kundaleriba Mota, Daleriba, Koi Kunjasing Asina, Sahiyama Supna, Tabak Suraga, Kolaga, Isola Nungsibiraga, Anajik Zaudabida, Akona Tariba, Mahe Maron, Lopagi, Harauba, Madu, Nashigi Numichida, Pondok Savani.
Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. UCM calls for an emergency public meeting on October 21st, with the center reportedly setting October 31st as deadline to conclude ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks. AMSU demands to book culprit officials involved in misconduct of Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Mains Examination 2016. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren praises Manipur Police on its 128th Raising Day for taking tremendous role in maintaining peace and security. And a Writers Forum Imphal kicks off 3-day festival of literature, dance and music under National Eastern Council Donor Ministry at JN Dance Academy.